All right, let's just jump right in. In this explainer, we're going to talk about how you can stop burning through your AI video credits and actually start generating some real income. It's time to start using these amazing new tools the smart way.
Does this look familiar to you? You get all excited about some new AI video tool, you jump in, you start creating, and then poof, your credits are just gone. The video isn't what you wanted, and you're kind of left scratching your head. If that's you, trust me, you are not alone. And this is the painful reality for so many people who are just starting out. It's frustrating, it gets expensive, and honestly, it's the #1 reason creators give up on amazing tools like InVideo AI before they even get a chance to see results. But it really doesn't have to be this way. Now, what's so incredible about a tool like InVideo AI is the promise, right? It generates the whole thing for you. The script, the visuals, the music, the voiceover. You don't need any editing skills, you don't need fancy, expensive software, and you don't even have to show your face on camera. It's an absolute game changer, but only if you use it the right way. And this right here, this is the whole issue in a nutshell. Most people follow what we call the wrong workflow. They just hit generate, then they try to edit what comes out, they get frustrated, and they do it all over again, just wasting credits every single time. The smart workflow flips that completely on its head. You plan first, you create your own pieces, and then, as the final step, you generate. It seems like a small shift, but believe me, it changes everything. So the most important thing to take away is this. It's almost never the tool that's failing you. It's the workflow. As soon as you fix your process, you unlock what this technology can really do.
All right, let's get into the good stuff, the solution. We're going to break down this smarter workflow, and I'm going to show you exactly how to stop throwing away credits and start making videos that actually get you results. So here it is, the 4-step smart workflow. It's really all about preparation. You write your script first, which gives you a solid roadmap. You start with simple visuals to save those precious credits. You batch your creation process to be way more efficient, and then generating the video is the absolute final step, not the first one. This simple process is what separates the people who succeed from the ones who just get frustrated and quit.
Okay, so now that you know how to create these videos efficiently, let's talk about why we're all really here, right? We want to turn this stuff into actual income. So let's look at 3 very realistic ways you can do that. You've basically got 3 main paths here. First up is YouTube. This is where you build a long-term asset, creating faceless videos and earning money from ads and sponsors. Second, you've got affiliate marketing, which is perfect if you already have an audience. You just recommend the tools you're already using and get a commission. And third, probably the fastest way to get paid is to offer your new skills as a service, creating video clips for small businesses. Okay, time for some rapid-fire pro tips and some common traps you need to avoid. These are the do's and don'ts that are going to help you build something that lasts and steer clear of the mistakes pretty much everyone makes when they start. So, here's what you absolutely should be doing. Test your ideas with short videos first. Don't go all in right away. Pick one niche and just be consistent. Track what's working and what isn't. And please remember, this is real work, not some get-rich-quick scheme. The AI is a powerful tool, but a great idea is still the most important part of the recipe. And on the flip side, whatever you do, don't do this. Don't just generate videos without a script, hoping for the best. Don't just rely on luck or trying to catch a viral trend. Don't switch your niche every single week. You have to give your audience time to find you. And maybe the most important one, don't quit after just 2 or 3 uploads. Success takes time. And this quote, well, it just says it all, doesn't it? Consistency beats talent in this game, every single time. That is the golden rule of creating content, whether you're using AI or not.
All right, let's bring it all home. Here is your clear path to success, a really simple blueprint that you can start following, like today.
So here's your final blueprint, boiled down to the essentials. Number 1, plan your script with a clear purpose. 2, protect your credits like they are cold, hard cash. 3, publish consistently to build that momentum. And 4, turn those videos into income. That's the entire strategy. So when you really think about it, it all comes down to this. The tools are there. The strategy actually works. The only real question left is for you. You've got the idea, so are you ready to execute at speed?